Hello friends, today we are starting the next chapter, chapter 5. We are doing the first page of chapter 5. Check what you know. Adding and subtracting fractions. Write each fraction in simplest form. So let's get started. Here we have our first equation, 1/8 plus 6/8. So now let's go over here and let me show you how to do these fractions. So first let's write out the problem. 1/8 plus 6/8. So for addition, when the denominators are the same, you don't have to multiply them. You will just write them as the number they are. So now let's write them as the number they are, 8. So put the fraction, the denominator would be 8. For addition, you just add the top numbers. If the denominators are the same, you don't have to multiply and you could just add the top numbers. So 1 plus 6 is 7. So for this one, our answer is 7/8. Okay, now let's go to this one, 3/7 plus 3/7. Let's do this over here. 3/7 plus 3/7. So the denominators are the same. So they will be 7, the denominator. And now we just add 3 plus 3, which is 6. So our answer is 6/7. So this line is the same. So now let's go on to the next line. So here our equation is 4/5 plus 2/8. So this one has different denominators. So I will be showing you how to do it with different denominators. Let's write out the equation first. 4/5 plus 2/8. So when the denominators are different, you have to find a number that both of the denominators can go to. So the simplest way to find a denominator, a number that goes to both of them, is to multiply them. So 8 times 5 is 40. So we're going to do this over here. So 8 times 5 is 40. Now 5 goes to 48 times and 8 goes to 45 times. So here we're going to do 8 times 4. This is just for your help. So 8 times 4 is 32. Times 4 is 32, and 2 times 5 is 10. So 32 plus 10. Now let's add this over here. 32 plus 10 is 42, and then the 40/40. So now let's simplify this into a simpler number. Let's do it over here. 42 over here and 40. 40 goes to 42 one time. So 40. Then we get 2 left over. So now let's write our equation. Our equation is going to be 1/240. So here 2 can go to 40, so we can make this even more simple. 2 goes to 40 2 times. 2 times 20 is 40. So we're gonna write, this is going to be our final equation over here, the simplest form as well. So 20. So 2 goes to 40 20 times. So that's why I'm writing 20 over here, and 2 goes to 2 one time. Now let's bring the 1. So our simplest form of this is 1 whole 1/20th. So now this is done. Now let me show you how to do it with full numbers. So here we have a full number and a fraction. So over here we're going to do this one, 4 2/3 plus 7 2/9. So over here we're going to write 4 2/3 plus 7 2/9. So now let's make this, 1 second, I wrote this close. So now let's make the whole numbers into fractions. So 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 plus 2 is 14. So over here we're going to write 14 over 3 for this one, and over here 9 times 7 is 63. 63 plus 2 is 65. So 65 over 9. So this is our new equation. So now we have to find a number that goes to both of them, that both of them can go to. But here, 3 can go to 9. So we're going to write 9 over here as a number for both of them because 3 can go to 9. 3 can go to 9 3 times. So we're going to do 3 times 14. 3 times 14 is 42. And now 9 can go to 9 1 time. So we're going to do 65 times 1, which is 65. Now we add this up, which is 107 over 9. So now let's make this into a simpler form. So now let's divide this. 107 divided by 9. 9 goes to 107 11 times, which is 99. So we have 8 left. So this is our equation. Now let's write it over here. So our equation is 11 8 over 9. That is our equation. Now let's do this one over here. 1 4/5 plus 6 1/8. So now let's write this down. 1 4/5 plus 6 1/8. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 over 5. And over here, 8 times 6 is 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. So 49 over 8. This is our new equation. And now let's simplify this. So a number that they both go to is 40. So we're going to write 40. 5 goes to 40 8 times. So 8 times 9 equals 72. And 8 goes to 45 times. So 49 times 5, which is 245. So we add this, and our answer for this is 317 over 40. So now let's simplify this over here. 317 and 40 here. 40 goes to 317 7 times, which is 280. we have left 37. So now let's make our equation, which is 737 over 40. That is the simplest we can go. So over here, all of these are subtraction. So I will be making another video, part 2, on this, on subtraction. For now, you guys can memorize this and learn it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.